Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve your password has expired, please log in again problem in Payoneer. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Payoneer application or go to Payoneer website from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From the top right corner you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Then go to Settings. Then go to Security Settings option. From there, change your password. Once you have changed your password and created a strong password, this problem will be solved. If you're still getting this problem, try contacting to Payoneer Service Center. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.